It is 99 degrees out here in Amarillo. Holy crap. See, I'm in my car, no shirt on. We're in this little underhang thing at the hotel we just got to. I'm going to change tires real quick and then hop in the pool because it's ridiculously hot out. About 8 o'clock tonight, we have a meet and cruise, and the cruise winds up going right by Autocross, so we're just gonna hop off the train there. Autocross starts at 10, so we're gonna help like set up and whatnot, walk the course. But for now, I'm gonna change tires shirtless and at the hotel. All right, my skinny ass just got done. It was like 30 minutes or so. God, they look so good. Oh, I'm excited. Like I said, we got a car meet and stuff to go to later tonight, and then off to Autocross. But it's freaking hot, but it's nice. It's like beautiful as hell out. All right, so we're at Autocross. I've been jabbing my mouth off with Brandon. It's been a very good time. He's teaching me a lot of shit. It's pretty cool. But we got the course set up. Just went through tech. Someone stole my parking spot. I'm a little upset about that. There's a lot of new faces here, new cars. 2 SS 1LEs just showed up, brand new with the aero package, all that bullshit. They look sexy. One's yellow and black, one's blue and black, like my blue. Beautiful. The GTR's here again. There's a brand new Focus RS that's gray with temp tags still on it. So those are my 3 cars I'm looking at going after tonight, the RS and the SS's. If I can beat them, I'll be a happy camper. I don't know if they've ever been to Autocross before, so that's really not fair, but just basing off the car, which this isn't a car kind of thing, but I want to beat those cars. So there's that. About to empty out the trunk and get things ready here, get the oil temperature up a little bit. I'm not sure which run group I'm in yet. And of course the girlfriend, she just parked next to me. She's gonna be running her first time tonight at Autocross in Amarillo as well. It's a really nice course. I'll post a link here. Each turn gets progressively less of a turn than it was before. So it'll be real tight at the beginning, and towards the end it'll be real loose. I think they added like a 90-degree turn at the end because you'd be coming in pretty hot through that slalom, but yeah. It's gonna be a great night. These new tires, I mean, it's a little wet out, but it's gonna be sick. Alright, well, tonight didn't go as planned. We thought they were going to cancel the event, and then the rain passed, so we were good. Started the event, we got to the second group. I just got done with my 3rd run, and it just started downpouring rain. The whole track soaked. So they voted, and they voted to continue the event in the morning. So thank God we got a hotel. So we got to be back down there 8 in the morning, and then I'll do literally 1 run. Hopefully they'll reset it, so I'll be able to at least do 2 runs in the morning, and then it'll be her run group. She didn't even get to run tonight, and then we'll do it all over again. So we didn't even get halfway through the night before it got called. So that kind of sucks, but yeah. That means I gotta load up all my tires and stuff in the car tonight, get the Autocross, unload them again, do my runs, and then change wheels, go back to town. It's a lot of shit, but get back to you in the morning. All right, so we're back. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. Weather is pretty nice, and we're starting out with me since the rain started during my run last night. I'm the first one up this morning. I'll have 2 runs left in this, and then goes to the next run group. So I'm gonna go line up now. We're about to do the driver's meeting here in a minute. Wish me luck. These tires warm up really, really quick, so it shouldn't really be an issue. Super excited. well, we made it back home. It's like a 110 mile or so drive from Autocross to back here, so it was very exhausting. I didn't sleep much last night. I had a Red Bull at the event, and then I couldn't go to sleep, and then had to wake up early and then race and then drive and changing tires again. It was a hell of a night slash day. Getting to learn these new tires is a little weird. Like, I gotta learn to kind of like trust the tires more. I'm so used to the other tires like understeering. So it's like kind of hard for me to trust these. Like, it's like a mental thing for me basically. And then, yeah, just getting the tire pressures right, and they heat up quick, so that's nice. Get the tire pressure set at like a 32, 33 in the front, 35 in the rear. It does really well. Probably have to change all that up once I get coilovers and add camber and all that. Then it's gonna be a whole jumble of adjusting everything for a while to get everything dialed in, but it's gonna be fun. I'm excited. She freaking drove her ass off. Since the Roswell event, she's tuned her car just like a 91 octane base tune, no real parts added, and she just ordered an intercooler and a catless downpipe, so that'll be coming, and she'll be able to bump up her tune, add a little more power. But when she was like relearning her car basically as well today, so she had to figure out how to work it with her traction and her sport modes and all that. It's a 320i. It doesn't really make all that much power, and it's got some options for sporty stuff with the transmission and the steering and the way the throttle works. So she was learning, I was learning. It was a really good day. Definitely super freaking proud of her and the way she drove. She's over here acting like I'm not even talking about her. These are the tires after one event. Not too shabby. I don't know if this is the front or the back. Yeah, this is one of the rear tires, but I mean, they wore really, really well. That was 8 laps out, actually 9, because I got a rerun. So they're really, really, really nice with it. Like, as soon as they get a lap around, they're like 118 to like 125 degrees, and you touch them and they're sticky as hell. I had to wipe them all off because they had rocks and stuff all stuck to them. Anyway, other than that, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Marty and his people for throwing these events. Once again, this is what I live for now. Like, I am so blessed to be able to like go to events like this all the time. And huge shout out to Brandon, my boy, hooking up with the tires, dropping some knowledge on me last night. Just a bunch of random stuff. We talked a lot about a lot, so he's a really good guy. I actually got some shirts and a hat for the team. It's also really freaking awesome. So yep, we'll be back out at Autocross in 2 weeks in Amarillo. This next weekend we have a 4-day weekend. We're going to OKC, hang out with my boy Cam and his fiance, go do some car stuff out there. So stay tuned for that. I don't know if I got anything coming this week because I'll be working 10-hour shifts to make up for the Friday that we have off. So we'll see how this week goes. But thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the flip-flop.